tear, it proves to me the love I shed was worth every drop. Lord knows I don't want this to stop. No, I wanna go.
Hey y'all, what's up? I am sniffling, if you can hear me. And yeah, honey, the devil tried to take over my spirit, y'all, and tried to get me sick. I said, I had to take authority over that thing. I know y'all believers out there know where I'm coming from. When you take authority over a situation and like, this ain't happening to me. No, God ain't signed me up for this. I'm not doing it. I'm not. Like I told everybody, they was like, girl, well, especially my husband last night, he said, man, can you take off or whatever and just have a sick day? Do you have any sick days accrued? I said no. I said, I don't need no sick days accrued because I ain't sick. Huh? I was like, I might be in denial or whatever, but I'm not buying into this sickness. I was like, I got a good job I need to go to, and I'm not getting my check messed up. No ma'am, Miss Rue is not getting that check messed up. I will be here. I will be functioning at 110% as I always am, because I am the life of every party, so just know that. But yeah, I was like, no ma'am, no sir, no God, I am not going to be sick. I don't believe in it. I don't want to. I ain't signed up for that. But anyways, yeah y'all, so I just hopped on here to say hi to y'all because I ain't seen y'all in a few days. We tried to now, hubby and I, we did try to make a video the other day, but I don't know. I just felt like it just wasn't, I don't know. It wasn't for me. I don't know. It was okay. It was cute, but even he was like, yeah, we may need to redo this or whatever, but I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I still have the video. I didn't erase it, so it might still go up if we don't get anything out in the next few days or whatever, because we originally wanted to be daily vloggers or whatever, but it didn't work out that way. Like, stuff comes up and I don't know, y'all, just be junk happening, honey. Junk be happening. But yeah, I do think about y'all daily, and I do want to reach out to all of my little 52 subscribers. Big 52 in this piece, honey. What? 52 in this piece? What? No, people be like, girl, you be going too ham over your little subscribers, girl. You ain't even hit 100 yet. So, honey, I'm gonna celebrate if I had one subscriber, honey, one person watching me, loving me, being a family friend, whatever, member. Honey, what? Yes, I'm celebrating you, girl, boo. In real life, I have 3 friends in real life. Well, 4, including my husband. And that's it, honey. That is it. That is all. So, hey, 52 more people that are being nice to me, honey, commenting and loving me and sending positive energy my way. Yes, I'll take it. I will take all the positive energy you guys have to offer, child. Trust, honey, yes. But yeah, I hopped on here to say what the business is, what it do, boo. Y'all see how that lingo just changes. I go from I don't know what to I don't know what. No, but yeah, y'all know when I get on here, usually it's because I'm what? Say it with me. Stuck in traffic, and today is no different. I am stuck in traffic, and I'm on my way to work this time though. And I don't know why today. What is today? Today is Friday, the February the 19th, I think it is. Yeah, and every day I'm hustling. It's every day that it is backed up here. I have no idea. They don't take no off days. They don't sleep. Everybody's just going the same way every day, all day. I mean, it don't matter what time you get this. I'm on the 805, so it doesn't really matter what time you get on the 805. It's usually always packed. I don't know. I don't know what this means. This is the way to get to LA, so possibly all these people are aspiring actresses and stuff, and singer and songwriters like I hope y'all don't take me serious. I am not an aspiring singer songwriter. I just say that because I'm just being silly. I do know that I sound horrible, so I don't need the comments under my video like, girl, you will never get signed. You will never get signed. But hey, trust and believe. If it's for me, it's for me. If God wants me to get signed, even with my voice sounding as horrible as it sounds, yeah, I'll get signed, honey. Yes, yes. No, but oh child, I want to tell you about this heat I got on this car. I don't know if I'm trying to summon the devil up to this car, but girl, this heat is doing everything. Oh child, whew. I want to put my L in my mama name. I mean, my Lord, what made me turn this heat up like this? And then I can't even, let me see. Y'all might jiggle around just a little bit because I got to turn this heat down. Hold on. Child, that heat, child. Yeah. So, yeah. What happened? Turn this good old heat down. And I was trying to burn up everybody, wasn't I? Child. Ooh. And this little Mustang. Go Mustang. Shoot, you should have been did that. People, what happens is when I'm driving, people want me to speed up. And that ain't gonna happen because I keep a good length between me and the car that's in front of me, because people do stupid stuff here and I don't got time for that. So I keep a good length, and people always want me to speed up, and I really ain't doing that. No ma'am. I'm not doing that because it makes me nervous. And y'all do know, honey, them anxiety attacks be too real, and I'm not doing it. I will not, N-O-T, capital N, capital O, capital T, put myself in danger on these roads as far as driving all close and doing extra stuff. And it's crazy enough that I'm videotaping, but I got control of that because my hands, both hands are really on the steering wheel. People always say, how do you vlog and drive? But I've got the camera on top of the steering wheel, like laying on top of the steering wheel, and then I have my hand, that same hand, it's on the steering wheel as well. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. So that's how I do it. So I'm really still holding on. But yeah, anywho. All right, you guys, I will talk to y'all later, possibly. I thought I had something to tell y'all, but I guess it slipped my mind. I know it was something I had to tell you. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, y'all. I know I don't know her for real, so don't be coming for me. But Big Ange died. Like, that is so crazy. My husband told me that. I think it was yesterday morning. He was like, yeah, you know, Big Ange from Mob Wife, she died. I'm like, died? They said she died from cancer. I don't know how true it is, of course, but that's what I read. And it's crazy because I don't think I heard anything about her having cancer. You know, usually stuff like that is leaked some kind of way, which I don't watch TV anymore. And the reason why is because, the original reason was because we couldn't have dish at our townhouse because the guy said, the technician said the sight line or something wouldn't pick up, you know, for dish or whatever, because we had it in front of the house at first, and the landlords, you know, the apartment people said that we couldn't have it there, that we could only have it in a designated spot, which was on our little patio. And so the dish people said that we couldn't have it on the patio because the sight lines were off or whatever. So then hubby wanted to go switch and get Cox, but I didn't want to get Cox or whatever. And well, I kind of did, but the thing with that was I did tell him I felt like I was being unproductive whenever I had cable, because I just like to sit in the house and watch TV all day long. I was not motivated to get a job or anything. I was just hanging out in the house, just having a good time, honey, eating and watching TV. So I decided, I was like, you know what, babe, we're just not gonna have cable. Because of course he's not watching TV that often anyways. He was all the time playing his game or watching Netflix, and I was pretty much the only one watching it. And a child was a girl, I was getting my money's worth, your money's worth, your family's money worth, honey. I was watching everything, honey. I was flipping through them channels, girl, every day, all day, trust. But yeah, oh, this traffic is something serious. It done got deep. Anyway, but yeah, so I decided just to not have it. And ever since I decided not to have it, I got a full-time job, and I'm on my way to having a second job, a part-time. I've been looking for jobs every day. I've been applying, I've been interviewing, and yeah, I'm sure it's gonna happen. I'm sure it's gonna happen. I just have to be patient. But anyways, until we meet again, my friends, of course I love y'all down, and I will talk to y'all soon.